What we're doing here is replacing the Serpentine belt on a 2002 Ford F-150. This happens to be the 4.6 liter. Similar procedure for the 5.4. What we're going to be doing is putting a 1/2 inch Serpentine belt removal tool in this belt tensioner here. If you have your belt that's squeaking, if you have like around 100,000 miles on, it's likely the belt tensioner here. At the very end, I'll put an end card to how to replace that. As you can see, this belt is dried out and it's cracked, and if you leave it go too long, chunks of that will fall out and eventually your belt's going to break. So we're going to go ahead and change that. To give us a little more room, I disconnect this electrical connection here, undo our air filter here. We're going to unscrew it off the throttle body up there and move this out of the way a little bit. There is a belt diagram decal on the fan shroud on your truck. If that's missing, you want to make sure you get the belt routing down. I happen to own this belt tool, yet you can usually get them on a loan tool program at some auto parts stores. You'll need to have a 3/8 to 1/2 inch adapter on there. Okay, I got that in there on our tool. We're going to go and push it towards the driver's side and slip the belt off the top of the alternator there. You want to take your new belt out and make sure it's the same length before trying to install it. Okay, the trick is to take and pinch your belt here, put it over the tensioner, stick it down in there, and then get that over your AC compressor before you start putting the rest of the belt on. Okay, I got it all threaded up there. Gonna take the tension off of the tensioner, slide this over the top of the alternator here. Okay, got it on there. You want to make especially sure it's on the air compressor, the AC compressor, fully. It's the hardest one to see. Everything's good here, so we'll go ahead and put our air snorkel back on and we'll fire it up and should be good to go.